guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be I'm going to show you guys how I put on my lashes. By the way, I'm Sarah and welcome to my channel. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and also share this video. And please thumbs up this video as well so YouTube will generate my videos frequently. Okay guys, we're going to go right ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be using lashes number 302. They look like this. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. Okay. And the way you put your lashes on is, I always face them this way when they're in the package. Let me see if I can do it this way. If they're in the package and they're facing like this, I always do it this way. I turn them this way, so this lets me know this is the right eye, and then this is the left eye. So that's how I take mine off, and I just kind of slide it down off the lash thing like this, and it comes right off. Okay. Guys, I'm going to be doing more tutorials. I'm just trying to learn how to do the editing. I've almost got it, but I still need a little bit more practice. I filmed a whole makeup tutorial, and then when I got to edit, I didn't like it. So I didn't even upload it. But I'm going to get better, and I'm going to be doing more and more makeup tutorials. Hope you guys enjoy it. And we're going to start by putting this lash on. And I just sit it like right in the middle of the eye. And then I take it and do that. The wing of the eye. And then this part right here, I fit right in there. That easy. See how easy that was? And I'm gonna let that one sit there. Let the glue dry a little bit before I proceed to smash them with my real lashes. And by the time I get this one on, then the other one will be kind of dry, and I can go ahead and blend them together. So we're gonna put this one on. And I'm sitting there right in the middle. Focus on the middle of the eye. I got a little bit of glue on this one. So we're gonna sit it like right in the middle. See that? I sit it right in the middle. And then we're gonna do the outer corner. And it's just gonna sit right there. So perfect, guys. And then I'm gonna put this one right there. See how easy that was? And now we're gonna go back to this one. It's a little bit dry now. I'm kind of pushing it up against my eyelid. Try to get it as close to your natural lashes as possible. And then we're gonna kind of mash them together a little bit. See how easy that was, and kind of push it up some. Guys, these lashes are so pretty. And you can pick up these lashes from the beauty supply store in the number 302. And then we're going to go back to this one. And I'm just kind of pushing it up against my eyelid. Very lightly, guys. And make sure that your tweezers are, I don't know if it's going to focus. It's not going to focus. Come on, focus. But just make sure like the corners are not pointed towards your eye, because you don't want to poke yourself in the eye. So just make sure it's away from your eye. Like this. Let's see. think the mirror is going to glare it out, but just make sure that the pointed part is not pointed towards the eyeball, because you don't want to poke yourself in the eye, guys, because I did that before and it hurts really, really bad. So just make sure it's pointed away from your eye. And I'm just going to push this one up as well and kind of clamp it. And we're done. Except for I gotta put on some mascara. Sorry, guys. I'm almost out as well. I'm using Maybelline's Big Shot. There we go. Maybelline Big Shot. I got it from Walmart, and I'll put this in the description box below too. And I'm just gonna kind of put my mascara to on my real lashes to blend it in with the fake lashes. And if you want to, guys, you can also bring it all the way up into the lashes. It's not going to hurt them. It's just going to give them a different look. They're going to look really, really good, like really, really full. And to me, I like it better putting lash mascara on the lash opposed to just putting the lash on, not any mascara up, you know, toward the top of the lashes. I'll put it all over. So I'm going to blend this one as well. See that? How pretty that is. And we just want to make sure that our real lashes is blended in with the fake lashes, guys. And we're going to do the bottom as well. And also, for like a little tip for your bottom lashes, if you don't have a lot of bottom lashes, you can get a primer for your eyelash primer, and that'll give you full of lashes, and it'll make your lashes kind of sprout out. It'll give you lashes even if you don't have any. So that's a little makeup tip for you guys. Sorry about the face I'm making, guys. I know I always do that when I put on my mascara or my eyeliner. But I just like that look of full lashes at the bottom. And this one is just about dried out, so I have to go purchase another one. But this is some great mascara, guys. I used to buy like a lot of mascara, and I thought that the more it cost, the better it was, and that's not true. You can get some pretty decent mascara at Walmart, just as good as mascara that's in name brand stores. You don't have to buy name brand mascara. It all works the same. I had to learn it the hard way. It's going to give you the same look. You just have to know you need to prime your lashes before and then put your mascara on. But make sure you get like a full mascara that's going to give you that look that you're going for. So you can they have like some that's mascara that's, you know, that some people don't like that full look, but I like the full look, so I like to get that extra value. So that's the word I was looking for. But that's gonna be it, guys. You see how that looked? That is so pretty, and it wasn't hard. It used to take me a minute to learn how to put on eyelashes, and I thought, gosh, I'm never going to conquer that. But guys, I can put my lashes on with my eyes closed. Really, they're just that easy. But okay, guys, thank you guys for tuning in today, and please comment and subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.